Hey guys, welcome back to SLT Learning, and this is Ankit Prajapati, and today we're gonna talk about one more question on API testing. So if you are preparing for a QA automation job role or API automation job role, I would suggest just go through this playlist for API testing and REST assured related interview questions that help you to crack the interview and land to your dream job. Okay, so let's see the questions of this particular call. Have you used Postman Runner or Newman for automation execution? And this question can be asked in a different way. So how you do the automation of your APIs in a Postman? So for that one we use Postman Runner, okay, and that help us to run the our collection file together, all the API calls together. So let's understand what is Postman Runner and how you can run this. So the Postman Runner, the purpose of the Postman Runner would be run a Postman collection manually within a Postman UI itself. Okay, so in a Postman collection what we have all the APIs what we have created are, it's kind of folder, right? Postman collection is kind of folder which contain all the sub APIs, like different folder wise APIs. Okay, so to run all the APIs together we use Postman Runner. Okay guys, the use case would be the quick load local test run. If you want to run it quickly locally, run against multiple set of data, like read from the CSV file or JSON file without scripting, and you can run on multiple set of data as well. The features like select collection plus environment, it will run on a different environment. For the same collection you can change the environment dynamically and you can run it to see the result. Import the data files to for the parameterization as well to test case, like importing the data from the CSV or JSON file, you can parameterize your test case as well. See the visual result in the Postman itself. At the end of the execution it will show the all the APIs has been run, like which has been passed, failed, what time it took, what validations or assertion whatever you have written in a test section are passed or failed, all those information. Okay, but what is the limitation of Postman Runner? It is not ideal for CI/CD pipeline. Okay, because it's only the GUI based I will just say tool for the Postman, which help us to see the result upfront on the UI side. Okay, against that the Newman. Okay, so Newman is the purpose to run the Postman collection from the command line. So this is the tool which you can use to run the Postman collection. This is for the UI side and this is from the command line. Okay, where is the use case would be the for the Newman will be automate test execution in Jenkins, GitLab CI, Azure DevOps and all those things. It can be scheduled, the command line file can be scheduled, or it can be triggered manually as well. Okay, so these are the use case for the Newman. So Newman is the tool which help us to run the Postman collection to the command line argument. Okay, now how you can use the Newman tool? So for that one let's we understand quickly. Installation is very simple. npm install -g and just say Newman, then basic run command, Newman run your collection file -e your environment variable file. Okay, and that will help you to execute this command. And this same command you can use in your Jenkins and JUnit file on a Jenkins as well. If you want to run with the data file, then you need to provide this additional argument -d data.csv, and it will run through the data file. So this is the Postman Runner and this is the Newman. Newman is the tool that run the Postman collection from the command line Okay, and this is the steps: installation, how the basic run command, Newman run, then your collection my collection.json -e my environment.json. Okay, so remember this syntax guys. Maybe they ask you the basic command of Newman, this should be you should be know these two command. Okay, this might be not asked, but this will be they gonna ask you. And what is the best practice in CI/CD? Export your Postman collection and environment variable and use the Newman in your pipeline, like the Jenkins files, GitHub actions and CI/CD pipeline to test on each and every build. Publish the test result with JUnit XML or earlier report for the better visibility. Okay, so this is the best practice when you work on Postman Runner or Newman. This is the best practice. First create your Postman collection, then export the collection and environment file, then use the Newman as an automation tool to run your file on a Jenkins environment or GitHub environment, and then publish the report for the management in XML or LDO report kind of use. Okay, so this is, if they ask you do you have experience in Postman Runner or Newman, you can answer like that way. Or they may maybe ask you what automation tool you use to run the Postman collection file. So this is the answer guys. Okay, this is for GUI purpose, this is for the command line purpose. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel so we can come up with the more such video for you guys.